All right, for all our Chappell Roan fans out there, she is from Willard, Missouri. That's about a stone's throw east, west. So a stone's throw west from the studio. This is her first little country song. She said, I wouldn't be from the Midwest if I didn't put out something country. So I want to show you this choreography for just one part of it. The rest of it's pretty simple. Whenever we're going to come down and then back up, we're going to jump 3 times. So we're going to start with our feet apart, but when we go down, we're going to bring our feet together and we sweep here and our hands come across our forehead and they go out as we jump out. She says, I get the job done. Okay, so I don't know if you know what this song is about, but she's a giver, not a taker. She says she ain't no country boy quitter. She likes the ladies and she's going down and getting the job done. So we go down and then we get the job done. Done. Okay, so you're up here. Then you go 1, 2, 3. You're just gonna turn and a little knee bounce right there. You just stay kind of here, knee bounce. Then again, 1, 2, 3. You land with your feet out. You go heel, heel. 1, 2, 3. Turn, little tiny, little tap down on the heels, and that's it. Let's go. We're gonna start with a grapevine with 2 heel taps forward, right to left, in 4, 3, 2, up.
Ain't got antlers on my walls, but I sure don't make mating calls from the stalls and the bars on a Friday night.
Bring it up. Take it back.
But I can close my eyes and have you wrapped around my fingers like that.
Kick it, right foot, go.
Baby, when you need the job done, you can call me baby. 'Cause you ain't gotta tell me, it's just in my nature, so take it like a
turn it out right here.
Baby, I'm a giver.
Again, 2, 3, 2. Are you ready? Here it is. Take it down. Turn it out. 1, 2, 3. Heel, heel. 1, 2, 3. From the top.
Girl, I don't need no lifted truck. Revving light to pick you up. 'Cause how I look is how I touch.
Hup.
And in the strip mall town,
take it back.
Good luck finding there some need to rhinestone cather all night.
Right foot, kick it. Hup.
Baby, if you never had one, call me baby. 'Cause you ain't gotta tell me, it's just in my nature, so take it like a taker. 'Cause baby, I'm a giver. Ain't no need to hurry. 'Cause baby, I deliver. Ain't no country boy quitter. I get the job done.
Take it down. Heel. Turn it out. Grab your lasso. You lasso, you whip. Up and down. We're gonna take it around right here.
She gets the job done. She gets the job done.
Last one, turn it out.
It's just in my nature, so
Take it.
like a taker.
Turn it out.
Baby, I'm a giver. Ain't no need to hurry. 'Cause baby, I deliver. Ain't no country boy quitter. I get the job done.
Take it down one more time.
I get the job done.
This last little part is super fun. Last one.
Yes, I do. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Welcome to the studio, the best fucking place on the entire planet to work out. I'm Jamie Kinkeade, and I cannot wait to bring the party to you. In our workouts, you're gonna get the most electrifying, energetic, joyful workouts you've ever experienced in your entire life. They are more like parties. You're gonna dance, you're gonna sweat, you're gonna move. We have barre, we have strength training, we have some yoga with hip hop, and we have the best music. None of that royalty-free music that sounds like elevator music in the background, we forfeit 100% of our monetization rights so that we can bring the music that you know and love into your workouts and light up your day with sweat, love, movement, and freedom like you've never felt before. If you discover our workouts are exactly what your body, your soul, and your mind have been needing for so long, and you want the full experience, download our app, The Studio by Jamie Kinkeade. We believe so much in what we're doing and the lives it has changed that we offer everybody a 14-day free trial to have full access to every single thing on our app, including our daily live streams and our on-demand workouts. Could be the best 14 days of your life. You never know unless you give it a try. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, go and follow us on all of our socials, and leave a comment below. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Let's do this.
Yeah. Girl, yeah.